So today we're doing a food tour of the Los Angeles Farmers Market. We're going to be taste testing all different kinds of food, Brazilian, Greek, Mexican. It's all right here at the Farmers Market from all of these food vendors.
This farmers market has been here since 1934, but the story starts long before that.
The farmers market has so much history, and the coolest thing is that you can't get some of this food anywhere else other than here. Like Patsy's Pizza, for instance. It's been here for 75 years and it's still all original recipes. Bob's Coffee and Donuts, original recipe. They start making these donuts at 4:30 in the morning. You already know that's good. You can tell. This farmers market feels like a trip around the world. There's food from Louisiana, from Italy, from Brazil. You can taste everything right here. This looks so good. Now this here is fried yuca. We've got some Portuguese sausage, some Brazilian steak. So we're at Loteria Grill, which is a Mexican food spot, and we've got our beef tacos here. It's juicy. You can't buy Bennett's ice cream anywhere else than here. So they've got a lot of original flavors, and then they have some really unique flavors like red wine sorbet. It's happy hour, so it's time for a Cabernet sorbet. I'm not drunk, I swear. I haven't had. This was such a great experience. Our tour guide was so informative, and I learned so much about the history of the farmers market. And obviously my favorite part was tasting all of the ice creams.